Hi there, this is Yogi, Virendra Yogi. Beloved friends, I love my motherland. I love the people who really contribute significantly to make India a very strong power. Military-wise, economy-wise, education-wise, skill-wise, and we should emerge as one of the most powerful nations in the world. And for this, there has to be a lot of brave hearts coming from different wings, working together coherently with a motive to make India a very strong power. And the power center lying with the Prime Minister of India. And the government should be cooperating with everyone without any discrimination. Whether the person belong to Gujarat or belong to Kerala or belong to Kashmir or belong to any states of the country, they all belong to India, and the Prime Minister is the Prime Minister for everyone. There has to be no signal or no kind of doubt that the Prime Minister is in favor of some particular group. I am talking to this. Let's take the example of Gautam Adani. He is interested in ports, airports, rail tracks, power generation, and so many electrical equipments and so many other industries. It's good. Some brave hearts like Ambani, Dhirubhai Ambani came, Anand Mahindra and Ratan Tata, one of the greatest Indian who has done so great for the motherland, GVK group of industries, and there are so many industries that are really contributing significantly to make India a very powerful nation. So all should be given equal opportunity without discrimination and not unnecessarily blaming or digging some useless allegations. Now take the example of Gautam Adani. He has been given almost 6 airports. Bidders were not bidding as high as Gautam Adani. What is this? He will have monopoly. Start from Kerala, Trivandrum, go to Jaipur, go to Ahmedabad, go to Lucknow, and so many other airports. Gautam Adani has been given. The cabinet have recently cleared 3 airports to him. And remember, Gautam Adani comes from Ahmedabad, and he is very close to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So there is a lot of doubt in the honesty and integrity of Narendra Modi. And also there is a very serious charge of the policy that one man can hold a monopoly of all these wings of one system or one areas. There will be several bidders, 1, 2, 3, 4. All should be given chance. And there should be limit that how many airports one operators will have on the basis of their bidding power, because all these are going for lease for some 50 or 60 years. There is one system which is called public-private partnership to help India to become great. I always favor privatization because I see the government bureaucratic working style is very discouraging. People are becoming lethargic, people are not putting their best. And so the country will definitely be doomed and go slowly down day by day in every way. But the concentration in the hands of few will be definitely very serious. GMR is holding the largest airport, Delhi, and then Hyderabad. Now the Gautam Adani is also trying to create such kind of situations and circumstances to deprive one of the best operator airport in India, that is Bombay International Airport. And he has created such a hue and cry that one of the most generous, honest, kind of the rank of Gautam Siddharth Buddha, he has been compelled to decide to sell this airport to Gautam Adani. I, being a great Indian of the rank of Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, I feel very sorry for it. All the patriotic Indian entrepreneurs and industrialists should be given equal chance. I request the people who are in the helm of the power, be very sensitive and be very impartial and be very kind and generous to everyone. Being the Prime Minister of a country, you are the father of everyone. You have to see that everyone is contributing, and one industrialist should not have the full monopoly of one business. Otherwise, the country cannot become a superpower, a dream of such great people like Yogi, Virendra Yogi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad. Thank you, viewers.